Using koki pens or crayons, color in your baubles and carefully cut them out. Once you've done the coloring in and cutting, fold each of your baubles in half. Keep folding them until you have all your baubles ready to glue. Glue one half of each bauble and attach it to another. Now you should have 3 sets of your cutouts glued to one another. Take the unglued side of one set of baubles and glue it to the second one. Before you glue the last 2 halves together, take your ribbon or string and glue it into the center. Once your string is securely fastened, take your last set of cutouts and place it over the open side of the other set. You will need to fan it out so that each side is evenly spaced. Your bauble will now take shape into a 3D paper creation.